Hi judges, Brenda Hogsett here. This is for my video 5 submission of the age management category of the Skin Games. When it comes to age management, I truly believe successful results come from understanding both the science of the skin and the art of rejuvenation. As our skin ages, our fibroblast activity declines, collagen and elastin production slow, and cell turnover rate decreases, leading to laxity, fine lines, and dullness. My approach is to biohack these natural changes by stimulating the skin's own repair mechanisms through advanced modalities and consistent home care. In this case study, my goal wasn't just to treat the surface, it was to reprogram the skin's cellular behavior. Through ProCell Therapy's microchanneling, I created controlled micro-injuries that trigger the wound healing cascade, boosting growth factors, collagen 1 and 3, and elastin fibers, combined with true microcurrent technology, which increases ATP energy by up to 500%. I was able to enhance muscle tone and dermal metabolism. But the real magic happens when you layer science with consistency. That's why I incorporated red light therapy to activate cytochrome C oxidase in the mitochondria, improving circulation and overall cellular vitality. And with the biointelligent skincare like meter, paired with nano-infusion using the Skin One Pro, my client's skin received continuous stimulation and nourishment between treatments. My philosophy as an esthetician is that aging skin doesn't need to be fixed, it needs to be re-educated. By understanding anatomy, respecting barrier integrity, and combining advanced technology with intentional touch, we can create real, measurable, and visible transformation at any age. I'm Brenda Hogsett, and thank you for allowing me to share my passion and expertise in the age management category of the Skin Games.